What is going on, everybody? It's Jamie and welcome to the channel Thiftonfire. Today's mostly going to be an order pull video, what sold for me recently for eBay, Depop, and Poshmark. Also, I want to remind you guys about Posh Sidekick. If you want to try it for free, my link is down in the description below. No credit card or anything like that required. You can try it for free, and then after the trial, you can decide if it's right for you. My favorite features are still offers to likers, and then I love doing silent auctions. You just set it up, you let it run, you hope for the best for some sales. But you know, sometimes when you run those silent auctions, it's just about getting your closet in front of more people, and that can really help to get full price sales even after the auction is over. Okay, let's pull some orders. We made an eBay sale, sold these Kohan Grand Zeros, had them listed for $60 USD, accepted an offer of $50 USD. I have two pairs, or well, I'll have these of one pair left, just an 11, no box. These ones are size 9 in the box. I'm just gonna verify that these are the size 9. Yep, I'm gonna just I'm just gonna put packing paper in here and ship them out in the original box. I'll probably just slide like a poly mailer over top of that box and tape it around so it doesn't come open or anything like that, but I've done that with pretty much all the ones that are in box. $50 USD for those shoes, like I said, listed for 60. I think my buy cost was around $20 Canadian plus tax. I'm hoping to get some more of these. I just texted that gentleman that I picked them up from end of last week, I think, and he said he had some more in store, so I'm gonna go probably check those out and probably pick them up if they're available. Before I show you the next eBay sale, I thought I'd show you guys this. So Mr. Heater, Big Buddy Heater, we're currently running at full blast. I think we can turn it down at this point. Been running it for about a half hour so far. We started at 9 degrees. It is currently 15 degrees in here and 5 degrees outside. So it's been keeping the room warm even when it's off. So I just basically heat the room up and turn it off. Usually I get it up to about 19 or 20. I put it on low and just hold it there. If it gets over 20, I just turn it off completely because I don't want it boiling hot in here. Carbon monoxide alarm, parts per million. That's what I've been using to keep myself safe while I'm using it. And it's got some fail safes built into it as well. But it's been working really well. I don't plan on keeping it on all the time or when I'm not in here. So I don't really have any, I don't really think it's going to be a problem. It's working great so far. We'll see when it gets really cold here, in a month or so. Okay, so the sale was this lot of cassettes. I'd listed for $20. It's a lot of meatloaf cassettes, okay? I accepted a best offer of $19. They should be in this bin right here. To dig around a little bit, we're just looking, oh, nope, they're right on top. That's nice. A lot of $4, $17 plus shipping. That's awesome. Let's get these guys shipped out. A Depop sale, and we sold these white Sauconys, they're leather, for $22 USD. This would have came from that big wholesale shoe buy that I made. Used shoes by the pound, so we're not into these very much at all. And good to see those shoes selling. These are a pair of leather ones, white leather, $22 USD plus shipping. We'll get these guys shipped out. Poshmark.ca order here. This Nightmare Before Christmas Sandy Claus, okay? Right here. So this is just a Hallmark ornament that I don't know why I had two of them. I can't remember where I got it from. We have one in the house, and when we were going through our Christmas ornaments, I think last year, my wife had said, hey, we have two of these guys, do you want to just try to sell them? So I did. These aren't worth a ton of money in store either. I think usually you can pick them up for like 20 bucks or something, but this one is brand new, never been opened, because I'm not sure how we wound up with a double, but we did, so we wound up selling this one on Poshmark for $14 Canadian. Poshmark.com order, and it's some Shrek stickers. $14 USD for a pack of Shrek stickers. Of course, I got this from that big garage buyout. This guy had liquidation stuff. Some of it was wet. I don't know if you guys remember that video. I will try to link it down below if you haven't seen it, but I've sold a lot of these Shrek stickers from that buy. Should be in one of these wider drawers, I think, unless it's not in this one. This one's actually in the original box. The box has got a little bit wet, but the packs inside are in good shape. So we're gonna open the box, throw just the open cards like you can see in the picture here in another box, and we're gonna ship them out. Some of these boxes were in good enough shape to ship in the original box, but this one, you can just see there's like a little bit of staining there. And it's definitely because the box got a little bit wet. But $14 USD for these Shrek stickers. happy about it. Let's get them shipped out. So it is the very next day, but I want to show you a couple things that I picked up this morning before we pull some more orders. Okay, so I picked up a couple of Montreal Canadian jackets here. They're both vintage. I paid $50 from the Elmer thrift store. You know, you can see that on the tag there. 50 bucks for this one as well. The first one I'm going to show you is a no-brainer. Okay, it's a starter jacket. The other one, I don't know the brand whatsoever. So starter jacket. It's got the nice starter on the back, or sorry, the nice Canadians on the back. Starter on the sleeve here, right here, I'll show you, NHL logo. It's got the nice buttons in the zipper. It's a size large. It's in like new condition. This guy, like I said, a bit of a no-brainer. Even for $50, I should be able to get, I don't know, I'm going to say $180 to maybe $250. I'm going to aim high for this one and see where it lands. That's Canadian, of course. This is more of like a satin jacket, and I don't know this brand whatsoever. I'll just show you the logo. They have another little logo down here. Okay, this one I also paid $50 for. The back is much nicer. Okay, I really like that, the look of it. This one though, this Canadian's jacket, I don't know. I see a couple similar ones that have sold for about $80 in not as nice shape. This one is like new condition, to be honest. I'm going to aim a little higher. I'm going to try to get over $100 for this one. So paying $50, I'm taking a little bit of a gamble on this one, but I do believe the starter one should make me more than double my money, no problem. All right, we made an eBay order and we sold some more Shrek stickers. I think these are the second ones going out in this video, which is odd. Is there something Shrek happening right now that I'm not aware of? So I just pulled them out yesterday. I haven't even put any back yet. I pulled two more out of here. You can see this one is, this box is not, and it's not in really the best condition, but we're gonna take the cards or the stickers out of the box anyway and put them in a little box and get them shipped out. And then we'll take the other one. I did bring two out because I was going to put two in the drawer just in case. I don't remember if I still have one at the antique mall or not. I'll have to check that out as well. So maybe I'll take one to my booth just in case I don't have one there. But anyway, 20 bucks on these Shrek stickers. Sold a video game on eBay, $18 USD for this Mickey Mania for Sega Genesis. We're running out of Sega Genesis games. They are selling. Just a couple more in cases, a couple loose ones. Just relisted these as well on .com, so happy with the $18 sale. We sold a couple hats on Poshmark. First one up here is this Aston Martin Red Bull Racing hat for $20. I had it listed quite a bit higher, but I honestly didn't know how much to list it first, so I listed it pretty high. Accepted $20 offer after going back and forth with somebody. Also sold this Manchester United hat for $20 as well. So $20 in this one, $20 in this one. Both are going out to, I think, different people. I guess I could fact check that. They did sell pretty well back to back here, so let me just go back and look. I don't think it's the same person. No, definitely not the same person, but still happy to get two back-to-back hat sales on Poshmark Canada. Sold a t-shirt on Poshmark.com. Okay, this Losers Walks Under Armour t-shirt, $8 USD. Definitely not a lot of money. I did decide to keep this one and list it low just to recoup some money. I think I picked it up at the Goodwill bin, so I'm not into it a lot. Anyway, I think I picked up the wrong bin here. Put this one down. It's supposed to be in this bin right here, USA bin. This one's still pretty heavy, actually. Let's see if we can find it. $8 for this one. Pretty much just trying to get rid of it at this point, but better than donating it. $8. There it is. Losers Walk. What do you guys think? Did I pay too much for those jackets? 50 bucks a pop. I think the starter one, like I said, is a no-brainer. I think that one will do fine. The other jacket, I guess only time will tell, but let me know, would you pick those jackets up for $50? If you guys like videos like this, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content, and we'll see you guys soon.